Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to process two of my favorite planets, Saturn and Jupiter, using the Wavelets Sharpening in the Lighthouse Script. We're going from this to this and from this to this. Let's start. Before we start, please be so kind to update the Lighthouse Script version to 1.4.1. Just click on the check for updates and update the script. Also, the Lighthouse Script is free. If you want to help support its development, you can buy me a coffee or join my Patreon page where I post a little behind the scenes posts and these tutorials from the YouTube. Thank you. We have this Saturn image. It's stacked and it's blurry. Now I will show you how to utilize the Wavelet Sharpening on planets. It's a great tool for sharpening this kind of images if you like to record planets. Also, it's good for the moon and the sun and everything in our solar system. First of all, I will click Auto White Balance. It's already balanced, okay. Let me go down here and click on the Wavelet Sharpening. We will use the default, and now you'll just have to pick on the pixel size of the wavelet. In time you will know what pixel size is your image and what pixels you can sharpen. I don't see any tiny pixels, so the first one will do nothing. As you can see, you will just pull out the noise on that first level. We don't need that. The second one kinda is doing something, but let me go to the third one. Yeah, the third one is the right one for this particular image of the Saturn. As you can see, I'm going and going and it's getting sharper and sharper. I don't see any artifacts, so I can go even more and more. We can try the fourth one. Okay, not that good. Now we can do some vibrance to see the colors. There is some green, so we can fix that with the additional tools and remove green. Now it's looking much better. Okay, let me zoom it out and we can apply some more vibrance. And let's see how much we can play with wavelets some more to pull out some additional details. It's already looking great. As you can see how much powerful this tool actually is. Before, after. Before, after. It's amazing what can be done with this wavelet sharpening, that from this blurry image of Saturn you can get this. You can see the line, you can see the lines on the planet, you can even see this northern part that is a bit greenish. It's excellent for this kind of images. And you can just play with the sliders. Okay, this is too much. Let's go beyond. Not bad, but let me tone it down. It's too much. Let's see this. You can just play it. Now we have some noise and we can denoise it with this slider. So it's a matter of balance. What do you want to do with this particular planet? Okay, let's do some blacks, pull some whites, maybe to get it a little bit brighter. I'm watching the histogram and it's looking great. More saturation maybe. It's wonderful. Look at him. I can't believe what we got before and after. Amazing, isn't it? And we pulled out some of the wavelets and just a handful of sliders here, and we got this. So you can edit your planets in the script also. Apply and continue. And ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a nice Saturn. Pretty good. Moving on to my next target, my second favorite planet called Jupiter. Let me zoom in. It's kind of yellowish, so we can now apply auto white balance to see. Great. Let's go down to Wavelets Sharpening. Again, we are looking for that sweet spot. The first one will give us almost nothing again. The second layer is giving us something. I see some details popping out, but I think the third will be the one. Yeah, look at this. Going strong. How much detail you can pull out from this stacked image. Of course, we can also get some vibrance out of it. Pull down the blacks, push the whites, looking on the histogram here. And now let's play some more with these sliders. Okay, maybe a bit of denoising on this one. You can look here, and on the north side and on the south side, if you see detail here, you can guess that it's enough. But let's move it some more to see where is that sweet spot that we are looking for. It's not bad. Some more saturation, why not? So see now the before after. Before, you can barely see the details, and after. Amazing, right? Look at this. Pure gold, Jerry. We can even boost the fourth, because the Jupiter is larger planet in the night sky from the Saturn. Why the hell not? I'm liking this. This is actually fine. The last before after, before after, before after. Amazing. Apply. And here we are with our Jupiter. Pretty nice. And our Saturn. All done in Lighthouse Script with the Wavelets Sharpening method. Pretty cool, if I may say so. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial with editing of planets in the Lighthouse Script. Please subscribe, comment and like the video, and see you in another one. Peace out.